Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Cars 3 Mystery Packs. We'll have a Cars blind bag waiting at each end of the track. We've got 8 in all, and a mini's gonna help us open them each time an engine loses. I can't wait to see who we get. And the engines will be competing on a wooden track. What are we waiting for? Let's get started with Yellow Reneus versus Rusty.
I wonder who could be in here. Let's see. Well, it's yellow and it's not Luigi, so it must be Cruz Ramirez. I understand that you're a trainer. I hope you can train me to be the fastest mini on Sodor.
Next up, Thomas versus Das. Yep, that's Das with a D. See, his wheels are orange.
Hey, it's Clark Kent here, and I'm going to be reporting on which Cars character is in here. So what do you say we go ahead and open it up and see what's inside? Okay, it's yellow, so I sure hope it's Luigi. Oh no, it's Cruz Ramirez again. Oh well, we got a repeat already.
And now, Douglas versus Rock Covered Diesel on Rock Covered Diesel's first time ever on the Choo Choo channel.
I just haven't had time. Oh, hi! It's Chick Hicks. Nice to meet you. Have I seen the movie?
Finishing up the quarterfinals, it's Duncan versus Bertram.
Alright, are you ready to do this? I know I am. Please be something good. Oh my, it is the best, the one and only Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow, kick-a-pow.
Semi-finals time, Yellow Reneus versus Das. The bag's still there. Do-over.
This bag sure didn't want to fall off the first time. I wonder who's in here. Oh, it's Luigi. I hear that you sell tires. I don't really need tires. I just have wheels.
It's Rock Covered Diesel versus Bertram, with the winner facing Das in the finals.
Well, it doesn't really matter who's in here, because they're never gonna be as cool as me, Old School Diesel. Whoa! Look at that! It's old number 95 himself, Lightning McQueen! I don't care if you're a duplicate, you and I are gonna have so much fun together, you'll forget all about that Mater guy.
Final round, Bertram versus Das.
Yes, I'm so glad Bertram just lost because I love Cars 3. I love it so much
here, Dash? Oh, it's Chick Hicks, another repeat. Oh well, at least I got a villain like me. It would have been nice to see some of the other characters though. You know, like Mater and Sheriff and Jackson Storm and Doc Hudson. I guess you just never know what you're gonna get with blind bags.
Dash is the winner. Thanks for watching. Hey, we're going to Disney World soon. Leave us a comment below about what you want to happen to the minis.